Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching on how to tell time in Zulu. Namhlanje ekuseni. Namhlanje ekuseni means this morning. Kusasa ekuseni. Kusasa ekuseni. Kusasa ekuseni means tomorrow morning. Izolo ekuseni. Izolo ekuseni. Izolo ekuseni means yesterday morning. Kuthangi. Kuthangi. Kuthangi means a day before yesterday. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.